Hey guys, Rich Sparks, Associate Broker, Keller Williams Realty, and now let's check out 2623 Breezeway Drive in Macomb Township. You are going to love this house. It is by far the most meticulously maintained home. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, over 4,000 square feet of living space. Now the starting price on this property is $440,000. And we expect a lot of interest. You don't get homes that are this well maintained, updated. Even look at this flooring. One of my favorite, the raked hardwood flooring. Doesn't really show up in the video. You have to come out and check it out. Large living space. Great place to kick back, relax, watch a little TV. But let's say you want to get away from the TV. How about this 4 Seasons room? So this room is heated. It's actual square footage. A great place to relax, rewind, and enjoy a little bit of nature. It says right there, home and relax. Beautiful kitchen. Here again, you have that raked hardwood flooring go through there. Lafada cabinets, granite countertops, GE Cafe Series stainless steel appliances. All included. Look at the base molding. It's even clean. How many houses? Look at your own base molding. See if it's clean. Now, this flex room on the first floor, great if you need an office, but we have another space for that too. Or music room, whatever you want. Now here we are with that primary bedroom on the first floor. This house is easy living. This is one of those where 3 bedrooms up, primary on the bottom with your own private ensuite. And one of the features I love is the dual sinks. Love my wife, but I hate sharing a sink. Soaking tub, shower. First floor laundry, right there, bam. Now let's go upstairs real quick, check this out. Here again, you have the dual sink feature. I do like the gray cabinets. And quite the large space. 3 very nice bedrooms. But there's something really special. You're going to want to stick around and see this. Those are solid core doors throughout the entire house. Now notice you have the closet on the right and a door in back. Let's see what's behind that door. Boom. Bonus finished attic space. Now here's the basement. Rec room. Workout room. Another office. Even another full bath. Everything you could use. This really brings up that square footage. Over 4,000 square feet of living space. You're going to get a hole-in-one on this one. Look at beautiful space. Imagine those family gatherings. But let's check out that backyard. Newer patios, great space, awesome for those summer times. Guys, this is a fantastic home. Don't miss out. They don't come on the market like this very often.